In a break room.
Where's the break room?
Oh.
Ito. Ay, ano, break room.
Yes.
Okay. This is nice.
Check the notice board for instructions.
Okay.
I hear. Get a drink at the vending machine. Use trash bags to throw out limbs. Mop the blood. Restock
Stop.
incomplete shelves.
Okay. Get a drink from them.
Today's quota $50. Get a drink at the vending machine.
Saan yung vending machine? Ito yung
Dito
vending.
po. Okay.
Restock. I'm gonna restock, guys. Oh shit, may blood. May ano dito, may bodies dito. Hello? Dito yung
Yeah.
bodies. Dito yung bodies.
Ano nangyari kay Ian? Ba't bigla siyang tumahimik?
Hello.
Probably
Ayun,
ano
hello.
pumunta.
Use trash bags to dispose the limbs.
Andun sa ano.
Yeah, trash box.
Oh my god, you have to drag and click? Holy crap. Oh, that's wrong. Uy, may customer ata tayo.
Ah, bro.
I got it.
Break up the trash.
Nah, you're lying.
Hindi, may nagtayo
Gotta
na.
mop
Ay,
the
ni Ian,
blood.
DJ. Okay, fine. Oh, na-restock ko. Mop the blood.
Alright, it's mopped.
Restock.
Where's
I'm
the
restocking.
entity?
Chill out, bro. I'm restocking.
Oh, the gun shortcut dito. Putang ina.
Bro, stop murya. Stop muryatic. Huwag kang magmura, bro. Read the instructions.
naka-live ka?
Out quarter. No, I'm not. I'm just recording.
Oh, here it is.
Uy, close yung mga doors, oh.
Restock.
Okay, nice.
Oh. Already full.
Wala namang naman news.
Wala namang laman. Read the instruction on the
Kami
checkout.
tokens dito na. Man, ba't cola?
Ano yan? Oy! Ay, gagi! Na-stuck!
Oh, gagi. What the fuck?
Bro,
Oh, shit.
na-stuck!
Instructions at the
Oh,
checkout
he's
point.
stuck.
Got stuck.
Bro, what the fuck?
You just broke the game. Wait, sino
Uy,
pumipindot ng E?
Not me.
Ay, nakalabas ako.
There's no time limit to customer interrogation. O, paano na?
Ewan ko.
Antayin natin. Uy,
Oh!
ito.
Ang ina, nagkitutak.
Sino nagta-type? Naka-type dito yun.
Graveyard shift, my friend.
Probably
It's
a little
probably-
daunting hunting. No worries.
No worries.
Give you a rundown on how it's done. What the hell? Scan my ID. Ano yung
Scan.
ID niya?
Scan successful. Tine!
Uy, mo.
Ne.
Oh, scan successful. Question this. Occupation. My occupation, sheriff, the best town in the west. Okay, interact with him to question his appearance.
150 pounds pure muscle.
Okay. Bag the items.
Ang bag items.
And accept the transaction.
At pa yung mesang nakaubra.
Saan yung ano
RJ
niya?
right side. Yung scan ID, question his occupation, interact with him.
Tapos na sa akin, bag items na lang sa akin.
Tapos na sa akin. Bag items na din sa akin.
Si Ka Ian.
Oh, bag items when.
Same with
Oh, sabay tayo.
saan yung
Question is occupation.
all mass player ko? What?
Tapos ko na. Ayun, tapos na. Ni Ian. Ni Ian. Cover.
Natin.
Alam namin kung saan ka nakatira, Ian.
Wow.
Yan. Ay! Ay! Gago!
Ang ina mo.
Marilyn.
Was for Valorant.
Gago.
Wait, cancer patient dirty, bro.
Ako na bahala sa ano sa names. Ay, restock kayo ni.
Hey there, long night at the hospital.
Wait,
Ano
what?
yung box?
Just need a girl. Bonnie. Bald. Often wears glasses, Ian. Oh yeah, I took my glasses before heading home here. One question. Last time.
Hindi ito eh.
Yeah, safe.
Safe ba?
Safe.
I think she's safe.
Wait. Scan ko.
Na she's
Restock
safe,
na
bro.
tayo.
How do I restock? Saan yung box? Saan ba
Sa
nakuha
loob,
mo?
sa loob dito, Ojar.
Sa likod.
Oh.
Shelf restock.
Oh, shit.
Meron
Sa
na.
Google yun.
Ayan, yan, yan. Inspect nyo yung
This
pangalan.
brand some stuff.
Oh, this is
okay.
fake, guys. That's fake, bro. Just shoot him.
Oh my
Shoot
god.
his ass. Tangina nyo.
I'll get the
Uy,
body.
bilisan nyo kasi may
shit.
customer na
I'll get
tayo
the
ulit.
mop.
Oh my God. Dito pa sa taas. May ano dito, may katawan dito sa taas. Katawan dito sa taas. Dito. Yan. Ibasura mo yan, JR.
Where?
Iyanin ka man isuro. Saan magbasura? Sa labas ata yung basura,
Itag
di ba?
garage. When?
Yeah, nakadayos. Around
Julieta
the back?
Granger.
Ano, the shortcut dito ano?
Saan?
Julieta
break
Gra-
room.
Oh, her occupation is a plumber.
Ooh.
Oh,
Plumber?
It's a fake. Lamig.
Saan yung...
Your creatures will pay for this. Ano daw?
Saan yung... Ay, ayun.
Delivery has arrived. Open the loading.
Yung kaniyan siya,
Bake it.
aglilinis ako. Naglilinis ako, bro.
Loading bay gate. Oy, Shopee guys. Shopee. Oh, pananang pinerdilo di ano tayo.
Okay lang. Oh, we have traps.
Anong pinerdido?
Beling dalatan.
Oh shit, answer the phone. Hey man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't stop. I really need to. Can you come out and help me? Oh shit, you guys wanna help me?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna put some traps here, guys.
Dopit tokens 0 are actually.
Alright, let's go. Oh, I see him.
Yeah, alam nyo man tig paltog.
Alright. I took the gun.
Run! Oi! Run! Oh shit. Fuck you guys! Fuck you guys!
Ayun pa!
Ayun na! Fuck you!
Where are you? Where are you?
It's gone. Tangina nyo.
What the hell was that?
Let's put some traps around the base.
Uy, restock ka yun.
Okay na ba? Uy, kita nyo dito ano ah?
Scan successful. Kevin Lauren. I work in insurance. Claims, smoking, house service, and facility.
I'll put it right here.
Wait. Alive occupation. Often informer. Tall.
Fine. Oh,
He's good. I think he's good, bro.
some already accept. Oh. Is restocking?
I'm restocking.
Uy,
That's the boss.
ibalik yun. Digete ano ah? You're done restocking?
Madama.
Sige lang. I'm watching you guys. Saan ba yung buzz? Do we need to bring the gun?
Why not?
Ha? Apay?
What the fuck?
Apay?
Yeah. It's just like America.
Your shift is done. Clean up any messes and head to bus.
Ah, we're done. Let's go.
Yes!
Where's the boss?
Night shift tayo guys.
Yay! We got money. JR,
We're
go in.
employed.
Yes. Day 2. Day 2. Better survive day 1.
I go Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, we need to have quota. Kill,
Human,
kill.
human. If question about her, let's say she took them off. Double ganger, hehe. Double ganger, hehe. Human.
Oi,
Action.
Next shift.
nice.
We got 3 correct. Nice, nice, nice.
Ah,
Check the notice board. It's a
No
new
hiring.
day. It's a new day.
New life.
Oh, Joe's Diners
Joe's
burnt
Diners
down.
burnt
So
down.
parang
What's shaking?
Joe's Diners appears to be the ones below Joe's Diner has been burnt in what appears to be an act of arson yesterday night. Oh shit. We have customer already? Oh
Ate
shit.
Cobra, Cola yes.
Oh my god. Dude, these movements are shit. Look.
Oh, he's
Also-
just drunk.
He's also fucking burnt, bro. I'm gonna shoot him. Oh shit, it's a you!
You
Oh
fucking
my
idiot!
god, you idiot. Quick, hide the bodies, hide the bodies, hide the
My
body.
bad, bro.
Hide the body, hide the body. Hide the bodies, hide the bodies.
My
Laga.
bad. Ian, you check him.
Check out siya. Just grabbing some supplies for 30th birthday.
Kita mo yung birthday na
30th
Ian, kita mo yung birthday na.
Ara. 1974, 30th birthday. Ano to ta?
Today is 1993. She's lying, bro. She's lying. Ask about her birthday.
Wait, what? No, yeah, definitely 1964. Oh,
Yes! Nice one, Ian. Nice one.
Wala ba yung nagpa-frame lag or ano?
Ano, nagpa-frame lang.
Nagpa-frame yung screen tearing? Yung nag-delete?
naglalagnak met.
Medyo agad dagawan.
Oh dear, just picking up a few things for my husband, Harold.
Yung
Arrow.
bag, asan yung trash bag?
Sa break room.
Ay, kinuha
Lonely
ko.
widow? Widow? No, Harold's just at home, watching TV, probably.
Wait. What?
Always. Everything's a good
Oh
number.
god, someone's watching. Oh my god. Someone's watching the garbage. I'm taking the gun. Before the shoot.
Wait, magre-restock ako. Ingat ka, JR. Ian, laingin mo. Oh, what did you do? JR?
Shot him.
Okay.
I'm safe.
Harold Cohen, deceased. Oh, he's lying.
Close the doors.
Sorry, dear, I don't know what to say about that.
Shoot.
Okay.
Nice one.
Uy, the SWAT ni.
Bro, bahala ka dito. Mada matrestock ko.
Ian, I'm cleaning the bodies.
Ryan Holt. Occupation. Oh, relocation shop. Ay, pwede tayong bumili ng products, mga bobo. May weapon din pala dito, oh.
For the
Explosives.
reason those doppelgangers haven't ripped you apart yet, you should be grateful. Ano, dumit doppelgangers ang mumay? Tikitakman Ryan Holt.
No, she's good, bro. I already checked.
Okay.
We need more products. We're running. Oh.
Kag-order rin.
Nag-order ako.
Open mo dito garage.
Yeah.
Tapi tokens, dito events na ko Protects you. Oh, the weapon arsenal in the future, yes.
Yeah, but we have to buy the game for that one. Oh, meron na. Nice. We have more products. Oh.
What the fuck?
Wait.
What the fuck?
Go outside. Okay. Take gun. Ian, take gun. Take guns. We need
I have
to
the
take guns.
flashlight.
Take gun.
Someone is already holding this.
Saan tayo?
Yan na ba?
I think here.
Generator. Bakit sa likod?
Sa likod, sa likod, sa likod.
Okay na.
Oh, here.
Oh shit! Let it replace you. Come here. Look, look, look.
Yeah.
It's for you.
Oh, you think it's this one?
Oh, this one?
All
Oh.
hands are full. Ian.
May token,
Right, okay, this dude.
token, token. You're-
Brayo.
Oh shit! There's a
Oh
person!
shit! Oh!
I'm
Shoot!
gonna
Shoot!
Shoot!
Oh, you killing me, bro!
Fuck you guys!
Hindi useless tong trap ko yun.
Oh,
That's sus.
what the fuck was that?
Sabi yung man namin dito yung ano da.
Kasi kita aisle ko na.
Holy Christ. I'll take the map.
Oh, Joe's Diner. Oh, Joe's Diner.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
He's dead. This the guy's dead. I just collected them man. Hello, I'm Jade. Okay. Oh my god. I don't want to be racist, guys, but come look at his ID. Come look at the ID, guys.
Okay.
Come look at the ID. I don't want to be racist.
Nah, she's sunburned, bro. Probably.
Nah, sus.
Yeah,
What?
I think
She boasted in
burnt.
yours.
This dude's burnt.
Yeah. Big on, thought.
Be gone.
Oh, he has a gun. He has a gun. He has a gun. Do you like your life? Kill the you want to live in your family. Ah, loser. There's three of us, bitch.
It's a fake gun. I'm sorry ko na ano pa
Oh my god.
Tae, apoy pinatay mo human.
Bro, he had a gun pointed at me.
Kaya nga, do you value your fucking life of another person or a friend,
Tangina.
bro?
So okay lang kapag nakatutok sa akin, punyeta nito.
Is this clean? Let's go. Oh, may blood pa dito. May blood pa dito.
Ang kumaano eh. Try mo.
Ah, that's bug.
Your shift is done. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Tayo, tipo nag-clean up or
Fuck that
nag-restock
shit.
sa.
Aman, na-restock ko tayo.
Hello?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Hey, go tayo.
Hey, human, he was just drunk. Oh my
Ano
god.
mo?
Human, doppelganger, doppelganger.
Hindi sa naala di
Oy, di ba?
Idea na
Racism works.
Wait,
Wow.
next shift. Sorry for that shit, bro.
It's a new night. It's a new day.
On
It's
the
a new
counter.
life.
Where's the note?
And I'm
This is the
breathing.
emotiscope. It reads customers' emotions and allows you to question 100% accurate.
Ano? This is the emotiscope.
Ano yung next page?
It
Wala,
reads
wala. Exit lang.
customers.
Ayun na, may bago.
Yan, mavoid dali trap tayo.
Agibar kayo man kit, di kita outdoors.
Notice now hiring signs. That's still valid, not
Fucking
for me,
hell.
but my lazy nephew Tommy could use it. Tommy. Wait, I'ma search Tommy. Tommy Delgado. Ano na?
Ano?
Surname na.
Wait. He's 23. Okay, the age checks out. At di name ti babae ket Ramona Delgado. Check mo man,
Okay.
Ramona Delgado. Let me check.
Apa, dito ano? Trap.
What do you mean?
You wanna trap me?
Oh shit, I'm stuck. Na-stuck na cute. Like kapag sabay natin pinick up yung item, tas mas nauna ba ako nakapick up, naka-stuck na cute animation loop use.
Oh, may item ka dito no. Mapikot mo.
Pa-right mo po konti. Right ko.
Kaya nga, right mo. Oh.
Right
Left
ko.
pala yan, gago. Yan.
Above. Go up a bit. Like yung black tile.
Ay, mali.
Na try going down. Yeah, spam mo lang.
Hold F to scan.
Yan.
Ayun.
Craving human flesh. Uy, tangin na! Craving human flesh, guys!
Wait, let me see. Haha.
Okay.
That's an ugly way to put it. So,
Okay. Shoot mo nga ako. I-down mo ako. Go. I-down mo ako. Shoot me.
Shoot kita. Oh, it
Alright.
works. Nice.
eat the trash.
Wait ako doon. Delivery tayo.
Ako yan.
Ikaw naman na.
Okay,
Kanina
bumili
pa
ulit
ako
kayo ng
nagtatrabaho.
delivery?
Trash.
Nag-order na.
Shock
Ikaw naman na iyan. Dami
Ako-
kong...
Ako na maglinis. Go trash.
Ano, tatrash na.
Ako na maglinis siguro. Customer.
After the talk,
Jar.
aha.
Ako na.
Mag-ano. Oh, usarem dati
Oh
emote
guys,
scope.
help!
Yep.
Ano tao sa likod? Help!
Wait, let me take it down.
I need gun. Come.
This one. Oh, the heart niya ano na ni Inted na token.
Huh?
The
Oh.
heart in cabin. May yan. We can't see. Praise the entity.
Yun na.
Magiging
Giving...
Ibarta nga tatilikudin iyan.
Na,
I like
nice, good.
tits. I like
Kampela.
ass. Who the fuck does this? Oh.
Ano yun?
Oh,
Ano
shit,
yun?
yung CR yun. Yung
Baka
sa CR yun. Yung
Oy,
trap
may
nilagay.
na-trap.
Oh.
Nice. That was
Oh.
nice.
Baka tao, tapos ano?
Saan?
CR lang puma.
Han, Brad, automatic di gito eh. Tamo ka.
Baka matrap pa may tao.
Oh, matrap ka talaga. Okay.
Ano man, kate man?
Cut ko. Lagay ko na lang dito. Anong feeling niya?
Relaxed.
Giving players a gun in a horror game.
He's chill. He's chill.
Where's close though? Let me grab something
Nah.
from Catherine quickly so I can have. I think it's good though. You think?
Yeah, he's good. He's kinda chill.
Where's the gun? Oh, it's the same again.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, I think
Ow.
I think yung nauna
Nah.
or she
Nah.
got wait, let me check.
Bro.
Actual
This one's fake.
Anxious more.
Oh my god, bro. I think we gave food for the first
Nah.
one.
Wait.
Wait.
Tommy Delgado.
Isn't he the guy
Ba,
who's
unemployed?
unemployed?
When unemployed
Yeah.
dito eh.
Alive. We need more info.
Ang man,
dude.
JR, yung nauna kanina, yung yung
Nah.
monster kasi
Nah.
sabi niya may wife siya. Bro, he's unemployed.
So kapag unemployed, ibig sabihin na walang wife?
Kit, DJ.
No, JR.
Sister na DJ.
Jay.
DJ, manatatay ko lalakit unemployed.
Win.
Unemployed?
Wait. Still mine, no weird lumps, scars, and
Oh my god, we fucked up.
kaya mo na i-accept mo. Accept mo.
I'm boarding up the place.
Yup.
Sino nag-usap?
Sino nag-open nun?
Kayo. Oh yeah, moonwalk, holy shit.
Holy shit.
Nice moves.
Oh shit, he's dancing.
Just shoot him.
Oh shit, he grooving.
Nagre-restock ako.
Oh shit, he got the moves.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Close to midnight. There's something evil lurking on the door.
Holy shit,
Buenas
bro.
noches, amigo. Retired construction worker and he's moving like that?
Very
Nah, bro, nah. Check his emotions.
Very short.
Check his emotions, bro. That dude is a retired
Cheerful.
construction
He's
worker.
cheerful. He's cheerful.
Bro, they can imitate the emotions. Sabi dun sa kanina, di ba?
Nah,
Ayan.
bro, he's pretty chill.
Wait lang.
Oh,
Esteban
bro,
Morales.
he's 60 years old.
Wait, sige, sige.
How is he moving like 20s if he's 60 years old, bro?
Wow,
Bro.
ageist.
Bro, nah.
Wow, ageist. Wow.
As mo, di age na ah.
Na-ask ko na nga. That's fucked up, bro.
Looks pretty normal.
Today is 1993. What?
Yeah,
What?
may time sa sa gilid ng computer.
Bro, today is 1993 and he's born 1993.
1933.
Oh, 1960. 60.
Limbs.
Yeah.
Not sure what to say.
Yeah. Yeah, that's safe. Yeah.
Yeah, it's safe.
You guys fucked up. He's literally
Oh, wala pa.
moonwalking. You guys should have asked his fucking movement.
Eh, when na yan?
Ready yung gun. I feel this
Okay.
one's fucking di siya human.
Nah, you're paranoid.
Ay na. Uy, ayun na. Oh.
See,
He's
look,
angry,
look,
bro.
look at the fucking name, bro. I am Jack. Name Jack, and his fucking name is Howard Elkins. Oh.
Uy, tayo.
See? Told you. Those little things. It matters.
Siya siya ka gano'n. Uy, di sheriff ne.
Did you just shoot
Wait.
the sheriff?
No.
Ada bimtak garod niya
Adda. Hey, I'm back. How's the new job working out for you? Well, you're still alive, so you're doing better than most. I'm proud of you, kid. Not many are willing to take a job this dangerous. Your job is dangerous as mine, but you don't get the same respect as I do. Ah, well, you've got my respect if that means anything.
Oh, throw to lure enemies into traps. So code Sola. Code Cola.
Jolly. Yes, it's pretty great to be me.
Okay. Yung mga tokens pala na kinukuha natin, pwede siyang pambili ng dito. Cobra Cola.
When?
I
When?
didn't know that. Should've. Nga, I think that's human, bro. Human yan. Just give him a pass. Oh,
What the
Uy.
fuck? Ano to?
see? He got attacked. I think he's gonna get attacked.
He got fucked. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh,
I'm
oh,
stuck.
he's here. Hello.
Hello.
I'm at the
Where
back.
are you, gasoline?
Oh, fuck
Why
you
do you
guys.
shoot?
Fuck you guys. Oy!
What
Pinat ng doppelganger ko. See, I told you. There was it will arrive.
Board up.
Board up.
Ano ba yung board ko? Okay.
What the fuck? Ano to?
May gun dito, may gun
Emergency
dito, may gun dito.
weapons. Oh,
May gun dito.
set traps, bro. Set
Sa
traps.
traps. May gun dito.
In-board up ko talikod.
Nice. Get guns.
Oh, emergency weapons.
I'm gonna board up the
I bought a, I bought a,
I have a gun. I have guns.
I have a bottle.
Yung
Already, we're so
tama.
ready.
Molotov ba yan? Or ano?
No.
Jar,
Lure
kukuha
them
ka ng
into trap.
baril. Dito.
Yeah.
Drop ka ng baril, garod
I can
para
only carry one. I can only carry one.
Yeah, but you, drop ko yan, para, oh shit. Fuck, I got hit.
Oh, set it up.
May gun sa tabi mo, ha?
Sadya namin pinalsot para makita natin ano mangyayari.
Fuck you guys.
Ah?
Oh shit. Be quiet.
Push.
Sa likod.
Spider!
me!
Fuck that guy! Fuck him up!
I think ano umalis.
Ilure tayo out. We're gone.
Argon, you're not safe. See?
Ilure tayo out nga tangamin dapat each time assaults
Nah.
next time
Nah.
surviving would be easy. Okay, we're done. We need to clean the house.
Clean up.
Take the trash bag.
Yung spiders. Oh, yan tayo makarawar. Bagti.
Oy, ada blood into your wall. Oh, fuck.
Isobliyo, di kita item split lang oh.
Yun eh.
I
Keyboards.
think this should be ano, near the doors. Pero hanga di doors mismo.
Ay, when dapat ikabi mo ito near doors na ito boards yun.
Hmm. Tara.
Oh.
We're done. We're done cleaning.
Let's go.
May blood dito eh.
May blood dito sa labas, gago. May blood sa labas. Ayan. Sayang yung pera. Oh, kanunutan niya awan ni Clyden, natay ni Clyden. Tara na. Binato na natin JR. Patay na si Clyde, guys.
Sorry,
fine.
Clyde.
Yung unang ano, yun yung fake. Sabi sa inyo, he was for his sister. Ay, dapat sinerch si
Oh,
Guy kung magikabsat
Delgado.
na. Okay.
Oh, we can search names.
See,
We can
bro.
search names.
Kaya nga.
Yeah, you say, yan.
Oh, di ko
Nagsesearch
alam na
na
pwede ka
tayo.
mag-search yus.
Tapos na? What? That's it? Oh.
May pasin.